enjoy the ride with my Uber. Ay, talaga naman. Papatayin mo pa kami, kuya. The pink city is orangey. Sinasarot nila ako sa pink. Orange to. You know what, in India, you will not, you will not be able to reach your destination without without dying. Hindi ko lang kung paano sabihin sa English. Basta hindi ko rin alam sa Tagalog. Wait lang, alam ko yan, wait lang. Yung isang paa mo nasa hukay. Basta ganun. 1 feet is in the graveyard. Kuya. Careful ha. Kaya na ko pa siya sinasabihan maging careful. Oo, kasi mamamatay na ako. I'm ready if the video is vibrating because I'm vibrating too. Ay, galit na galit naman. Masyado ka naman makabusina, talaga naman. O, di mo kaya. Vlogging while riding the motorcycle. Why not? My God, yung hawak ko sa driver ko, sinasakal ko na siya. Kuya, dahan-dahan lang. Slowly. Alam yung pagkakahawak ko sa kanya, kapag bubunggo na kami, sinasakal ko siya, girl. Ah, so this is it? Ah, I thought it's big. Kala ko laki-laki nito. I really thought that it was big, but look at it. Oh, ayan siya. Kaya in person, it doesn't look big, ha? It looks okay, but it's beautiful.